Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill. Class 8 English version math algebra exercise 4.3. Resolve into factors or factorize. Number 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. All these expressions are in the form x square plus px plus q. So let us start with number 27. P square plus 2pq minus 80q square. Here q is 80 and we have to select two factors, the product of which is 80. Again, the sum of those factors has to be plus 2. So what can be those factors? 4 into 20? No. 5, 16? No. Then, if not 5, 16, what about 8 and 10? 8 into 10 is 80 and 10 minus 8. Here we need a minus because there is already a minus here. So we need another minus, and this is the right choice. 8 and 10 equals to p square plus 10 pq minus 8 pq minus 80 q square equals to what we can take common, p into p plus 10 q minus common 8 common q common, p plus 10 q. Two factors we get, p minus 8q into p plus 10q. Answer, p minus 8q into p plus 10q. Now number 28. X square minus 3xy minus 40y square equals to, here q is 40 and p is minus 3. So we have to select two factors, the product of which is 40 and the sum of which is minus 3. What would be those factors? 5 and 8. 5 into 8 equals to minus 8 plus 5. X square minus 8 minus 8xy plus 5xy minus 40y square equals to what we can take common, x into x minus 8y plus 5 common, y common, x minus 8y equals to x plus 5y into x minus 8y, and that is the answer, x plus 5y into x minus 8y. Number 29. X square minus x whole square, x square minus x whole square plus 3x square minus x square minus x minus 40. Q is 40 and P is plus 3. So let us select two factors so that the product is 40 and sum is 3. How about 5 into 8 and 8 minus 5? 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay. And we actually need another minus because there is already a minus here. So equals to x square minus x whole square plus 8x square minus x minus 5x square minus x minus 40 equals to, if we take x square minus x common, we get here another x square plus x square minus x square minus x, and plus 8 here, plus 8. And minus 5, if we take common, minus 5, what we have inside, x square minus x plus 8. So the two factors we get, one is x square minus x minus 5 into x square minus x plus 8. So the answer is x square minus x minus 5 into x square minus x plus 8. Number 30. A square plus b square whole square. Minus 18 a square plus b square. Minus 88. So Q is 88 and P is minus 18. Let us select two factors. How about 22 and 4? 22 and 4. And here it should be minus 22 plus 4 equals to a square plus b square whole square minus 22 a square plus b square minus, should be plus 4 plus 4 a square plus b square minus 88 equals to, if we take common, a square plus b square plus b square common, then inside we get a square plus b square minus 22 plus 4 common, a square plus b square minus 22. So two factors we get, one is a square plus b square plus 4 and the other one a square plus b square minus 22. And that is the answer. A square plus b square plus 4 a square plus b square minus 22. Number 31. the last one, a square plus 7a whole square, a square plus 7a whole square minus 8 into a square plus 7a minus 180. Here q is 180 and p is minus 8. So we have to select two factors, the product of which are 180 and the sum of which will be minus 8. How about 18 and 10? 18 into 10 minus 18 plus 10 equals to a square plus 7a whole square minus 18 a square plus 7a minus should be plus 10 here, minus 18 plus 10, so minus 18 and then plus 10, a square plus 7a minus 180 equals to what we can take common, a square plus 7a, a square plus 7a into a square plus 7a plus minus 18, minus 18. Then what we can take common here, plus 10 into a square plus 7a minus 18. What two factors we get? One is a square plus 7a plus 10. The other one is a square plus 7a minus 18. The answer, a square plus 7a plus 10, a square minus 7a minus 18. Thank you.